reserve player natin. Pasok na po. Lock. Wait. Reserve player. Sige, okay na. Sir yung isa, sir. Sir yung isa, sir. Lock po. Number 8 to number 10 for 2.
Galit na galit na.
Sir yung isa, sir. Pasok na po natin.
Galit na galit.
Okay. Sige, rep. Tuloy na. Yeah, reserve timeout. Block. Number 8. Yan sa number 8. Malakas ang basa. Yeah, po. 15 to nothing. Number 8, Dais. Yan, si Mr. Dais. Dais shoots. Negative. Put back. Wala pa rin. Put back. Wala pa rin yan eh. Number 22. Wala ang tira. Number 77. Good for 2. Reserve timeout. White. Dais. Ayan si Mr. Dais. Easy now. And a foul. Foul jersey number 22. First personal foul on you. First shot is good. That's a try. It's good again. Dais shoots. Wala. Rebound ni Dais. Number 10. And number 18. Good for 2. Time out. Wow. Score natin.